Two hotel workers perished in a St. James car crash. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Two hotel workers from St. James died in a motor vehicle collision on their way to work in Trelawney on Monday morning. The deceased has been identified as Adrian Powell and Mark Clunes, both of a Montego Bay address. Reports are that sometime after 6:30 a.m., the men were traveling in a Toyota Corolla motor car that was being driven by Powell. Upon reaching a section of the Iron Shore Main Road, the car slammed into an oncoming motor car. Both men sustained serious injuries and were transported to hospital, where they were pronounced dead. It is not clear what happened to the occupants of the other vehicle that was involved in the crash. The Coral Garden Police in St. James are investigating the incident. This has been Links 007 TV, and this is our news report for today.